Okay, let's eat.
Why? How does it feel? Do you feel like a farmer? Oh, it's hard?
I think if I have stuff in it, it would be really hard to keep it balanced. I'm warming up.
Yeah, me too. It's pretty nice.
So, one more exercise.
It is.
See what's the
Okay.
fun side.
Oh, yeah, I think so. I've seen this.
Like my Jamaica, right?
Yeah, I've seen.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a competition.
Yes. The more you use, the more the winner. You done? Okay. How many do you have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not done yet.
Okay.
I got to 5 more.
Wow.
Ah! Okay, you win.
Yeah.
It's a snowman with a. Oh, you can. Yeah. Oh, guys, the guy that's hot chocolate.
Oh. But we have so much candy, so maybe just peppermint. I think this might be loud.
Oh, it's gonna pop, pop, pop.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's so bright. Does it look expanded enough?
You also have to hear the sound.
Yes.
Morning.
Morning.
Did you take a bite?
No?
What? Oh, it's crushed. Huh? No! Oh my god, did someone ate it? Shit! Like an animal ate it?
Impossible. It was in the box for the longest time.
What the fuck?
What? Oh, you kicked it. You kicked it, right?
I what?
You kicked it. You kicked the bread before, right?
No,
When you
but
dropped it?
where is that? No, I don't think so.
You kicked the bread and then it fell.
No, but no,
Yeah.
someone ate it. Where is that piece? No, I think some animal ate it.
How? It was in the car.
I don't know, but where is that? If it's crushed, it's crushed. This is someone like, oh my god.
Hold on. Yo, where the fuck is...
I think someone beat it.
Oh my god, an animal?
Yes, sir. Right? Because who, like, where are the...
Remaining pieces.
Shit, we don't have sandwiches anymore.
Yeah.
Smells so good. My hands are freezing. So cold outside.